Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel and this video regarding our Google Sheet. So yesterday on our Google Sheet is not perfectly working and the full day, and today we rectified that issue. So finally today we find some good opportunities with our Google Sheet. So one more important update, how to select a strike price also you can look at with this particular Google Sheet. So I'm just purely talking about an intraday Google Sheet, which perfectly working based on the Camarilla pivot points. And someone who are asking how to add a Camarilla pivot points in an option chart. Okay, so that I'm going to tell you simply how to add option charts. Okay, so this is a Upstox platform. So where we get an option chart in daily time frame. Okay, so many platform they don't provide you the option chart. Maybe for example TCS 4000 call option. In this particular one, which is going to give you the daily option charts. So this is a very easy tool. So if you want to open your trading account, the link are available in our description. You can start your trading account with our link so to get some benefit from our scanners and screeners. Okay, so let me check this on a daily time frame. So how to add um, uh, that Camarilla pivot point? So just go to the indicator. So pivot point standard. So this is the formula, or this is the calculations, the indicator which is default available in this particular platform. After this pivot, you just go to the settings and going to change your Camarilla. And if you how many days you want to back data, so you will be normal default is 15 days, and you can just go for a auto. Means whenever you change your time frame like 5 minutes and 15 minutes, it will be calculated the daily and 30 minutes, and it will be weekly, and if you are making a daily time frame it will be going for a monthly. So that is what an auto. So if you want to only daily, you just click daily and it will be show you only daily levels only. Okay, so I'm just keep at auto. So after that we need to set this in the styles. I want a pivot and I don't want a S1 and S2. I need only R3 and R4. So I'm given some color for this. Okay, R3 and R4 I'm just going to make with some other colors, the same color I will go for, and this one I will go different color or something like okay. So R3 and a pivot I'm just going to keep with the different color black. Okay, so here finally we added, and you can see it's a daily chart, and it will be plateau monthly Camarilla level. So let me check. It is started from 1st of March, and till end of this March, it will be available the same level, and it will never change. That you need to understood. Okay, so if you are using auto, so if I'm just making a 5-minute chart, it will be plotting your daily levels. You can see from started is around 21st March, and it closed with 21st March. So tomorrow would be the level would be changed, and I'm going to use the 30 minutes. 30 minutes is entirely different. So this color is not a good. So we will change that color. Maybe a blue. This one, red. Okay, that would be better. Okay, so like this, if I'm making a 30 minutes, it will be showing a weekly. So 18 March is the starting of this week, and closing of this week is around 24th March. Okay, so where you find out that levels were simply 24th, the weekly level. Okay, so 24th, 24th is the starting of 22nd is the closing. So 18 to 22nd. So that is what an auto. So you can easily add this Camarilla pivot point in your chart by this method. Okay, that will help you. So someone who asked about this kind of thing, so that's why I explain you. Okay, so let me come to our Google Sheet scanner. So morning I seen some of the stocks like IRCTC, which is available 900. So let me go for IRCTC. IRCTC 900 call option that was in our scanner that is available. So here you can see where I checked, that was around 940 immediate after market open. 930 the filter will came, and it will be remove all the stock which triggers our entry point. So what I'm just exactly looking for, the R4 breakout level is 23.85, this particular stock options, 900 call option of IRCTC. But you can see in the first 5 minutes itself, it reaches towards the R4 level, and from that it gives you some rejection from that R4 level, and the second time where it is given you the breakout, but this time it works very well. But what I'm suggesting you, so see, you are focusing on a fresh breakout. That breakout should not be triggered. That level should not be triggered. If you are watching a breakout at any particular time, so it never trigger in prior to that on a particular day. So that you consider as a fresh breakout. So here a lot of stocks where you can see that given you some opportunity. And one more stock I seen, Hindu Hotel. That was a real trade which I have seen. 550 Hindu Hotel, 550 call. Okay, today market gap up, and you can see this is called on a fresh breakout. Initially it went up to maximum 10.5. Our R4 breakout is somewhere around 11.1. Okay, so 11.1 is our breakout where we can get an opportunity at this point of time. So before the day the level is not broken, it is a the level which we are taking this as a valid level and a fresh breakout which you are trying for an 11.1, and our stop loss may be the pivot or R3, so whichever is nearby. So maybe you can keep a 9.1 or even 8.45. This is what a maximum loss stop loss which we can place. So if I am calculating 9.1 as our stop loss, so 11.1 is an entry, 2 rupees which we are going to look for a target. So here is the point where it is nearing to 13, but after that again it came down, and finally it reaching towards our target. So here by using our Google Sheet, we are planning with the fresh breakout entry. Before taking an entry, you should consider that stock having a good volume and liquidity. If the stock doesn't have a liquidity, don't go for an option trades, because if going for an option trade without the liquidity, there is a issue while exiting, and even making a stop loss also, it will be causes some trouble. So that is the reason. So always to be focused on liquid stocks. Okay, so and the Siemens 47. So these are all the time, I don't know when it is came. So because today we are working on it, and finally the sheet works well. And DLF, yeah, 830. So let me check DLF 830. That should be the strike price in call side. Okay, and here it is given you the breakout in the first candle itself, so simply ignored it. Okay, second breakout which is happening, some people who are try to take a risk at again second time, so that works also, but it depends on your risk ability and your trade logic. But main concept which you are using with our Google Sheet, fresh breakout with the Camarilla R4 level which broken on any particular stock, that is having ability to generate such a levels, and it was giving you such a good opportunity. So one more daily scanner also I'm planning to create with an Excel sheet, that is helping you to find out that R4 level daily time frame. So that we may be helping to find out such a big breakout trades 1 day prior. So I'm just planning to find out that one. Okay, so here a lot of stocks today, because of market is in very high, almost 200 point after a consecutive down. So today we seen almost 150 points recovery, and maybe small caps index and mid cap index also moves more than 1.5%. That is good for a long term investors like in mutual funds. So it is also going down, and now it has started recover today. And some of the trades, because I'm not tracking our Google Sheet today, so we are seeing some other works on our background. So that works well. And Manappuram also I seen in the morning, but it is not a liquid one defaultly. ITC, where you can see ITC, Tata Power. So that is also works well. And ITC 415 call option, that is, let's check 415. So you need to consider whether it is a fresh breakout or not. Okay. So if it is triggers in the first 15 minutes itself, you just ignore it. Here you can also see it is triggers in the first 15 minutes, because in an intraday trade, we are not going to take a 10-20 stocks, so one or two which we are going to find out for to make a 2 to 3,000 rupees profit in intraday. To one stock is good enough to find out such opportunity. You can take a time after 9:30 to find out the right opportunity, and it should be a quality and liquid stocks, and also volumeable stocks. If you're focusing, then it will be generating you such a good return on intraday basis based on our Google Sheet scanner, and that is working well. So those who are watched our sheet today and finding any opportunities today, so let me ping on the comment box, and that's about our video. So always we are changing that updates in intraday, And monthly positional still it is same. This month we have a lot of stocks, almost 10-15 stocks which triggers in a put side and few stocks in a call. And whatever the monthly positional, almost we are nearing to that expiry. If you are looking at today 21, 22nd, maybe some brokers can take that physical delivery from tomorrow onwards, because next week we have only 3 days live trading. So Monday holiday, I think Friday also holiday. So only 3 live trading and 28 is the expiry. So we have a 4 days, 4 live session from next week. Okay, so physical delivery also be impact on tomorrow onwards. So better our positional weekly, monthly positional is done, and weekly positional also if you are holding, so you can exit out from the trades. And next week we are not going to focus any new trades. This week is not a big such a thing, but many stocks in the put side. But today is a recovery, so a lot of stocks which is recovered from that highest point are corrected from the highest point, and they are came down, and finally we got an update like a weekly, monthly, intraday, everything is now is cleared. Maybe all we are set it, but yesterday is a problem, so that we perfectly cleared now with our Google Sheet. So those who are already using our Google Sheet, I hope I will be giving you some extended of your subscription, so no problem for that. Okay, and also see some of the few things also I'm going to implement with this particular thing. So maybe soon you will be getting. And thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions or doubts also, you just ping me on my comment box, or you can just WhatsApp me in the number which shown on this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.